I hope we made any sense. The camera died in the middle of that, so if any of it doesn't make sense, it's because the camera died, so we couldn't even explain.
I hope that some part of that resonated with you and maybe something you heard.
Or helped in any way, like literally any way. And if you have any questions, please just ask.
Yeah, and it's really hard for me to give general advice sometimes because I need to know the full situation, because it's very like even when I do advice videos, I give the best advice I can from, I feel like I don't get intuitive messages, but like I would have to know the full situation, because when you tell me the full situation and tell me that, oh, I was thinking like this, then I can tell you where things stem from, versus I say, this is my life, X, Y, and Z, help. It's like, okay, I need to know more about this, or the way you think about this. You behave, there's just so much. It's hard to give generalized advice when we're all of our thoughts are so different. We're all in different environments. We're all like, and obviously I can make
different perspectives.
Yeah, and I can make generalizations based on where I'm assuming you're coming from, but like that's also like, okay, last point before we go, like for example, like other people sometimes assume like they know you, right? Like for example, okay, so there was like someone in my life, like in
the real tea of it all.
Yeah, and like
there was someone in my life.
It's not
someone.
For a brief moment.
For a brief moment. Well, someone.
Oh my god.
A fleeting someone.
They're gonna think it's like someone else. It's like random.
It's not who you think it is, and you've never met him.
You've never seen him on videos or anything ever, yeah. But
it might be an animal.
Yeah, it's hard to explain.
I'm just kidding.
It's no one you would know, okay? Like I've never shown him in videos or anything like that. He's not relevant at all. But like
the shade.
sorry.
I caught that shade.
But like, and like this person just thought like they knew me. Like, you know, people like confront, people are like blah blah blah, you're this, this is what you think. People project what they like their insecurities onto you, and I see the more you study this, the more you see. Okay, for example, I don't know if you've ever seen that meme. It's like guys be cheating on girls and not trusting girls or something. There's like some meme like that. And it's because like people project their insecurities. If you see someone being suspicious of you for really weird things, that means that they're doing those things because people project what their fear-based mentality is. And you do that too. Like anything you say to someone is a projection of your own conditioning, your own beliefs. Anything that I say to someone, I mean, I try not to project my own emotions when I'm giving advice, but like people project, you know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? People will say like, you're using me, but they're using you. It's always like so twisted, and that's where manipulation comes into play, because people project so well and phrase the projections in a way where it seems almost like reasonable, you know? I don't know, I just feel like that's like very insane when you truly start realizing that you gain such power, because you realize that like anyone says is a projection if they're like trying to like manipulate you. You know what I'm saying? Obviously if someone's like, I just like fries, I mean that's a projection of their belief about fries, but
fries,
I don't know why I just came up with that because we just had fries. But like, I don't know, sorry that was a lot of us to say.
Yeah, that was, I feel like that was so a lot.
That was like heavy.
Yeah.
I don't know, we just have a lot of deep thoughts, and I can't.
Will this be uploaded? Who knows?
It will. But it's like, you know, I don't know, I have a lot of thoughts about
we have a lot of feelings, as they would say in Mean Girls.
I have a lot of feelings.
We have a lot of feelings.
But like, it's so true, and it takes someone to provoke them to ask you a question for me to talk about this episode. I'm not gonna be like, okay, well, let me just analyze your whole life and tell you right now. But like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just, you need a good conversator, and I feel like me and you just get it. It's hard. I finished the book, the Baddest Money one, and she talks about how having like kick-ass.
I haven't finished it yet, but it's very good. Highly recommend.
But she talks about having like ass-kicking friends. Yeah. And I feel like me and you would just like really like get it. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you so much.
You know, but
you're so nice to me.
But it's when you're, I know, like, we all want to hang out with people and help people grow and etc. But it's just like it's really important to have people in your life where you're on the same page, and you can manifest people into your life. Like, just set the intention. I ask the universe to bring me more like-minded people. I ask the universe to bring me people to grow, to learn from, and like, you know what I'm saying? Because it's like when you're around people who you feel like you're not growing from, it's like,
what's the point?
What's the point? You're a collection of the 5 people you hang out with the most, and also income-wise, you're the collection of like the 5 people that hang out the most, and I thought that's important. But money gives you freedom, opportunity. So I'm just saying, like, people, I just need to be more conscious about like your time. And I know some people are like, oh,
your time is limited. Why are you hanging out with people you don't like?
Exactly, and it's just like, and it comes out of, and a lot of times it comes out of insecurity or like fear.
Yeah, it's like, oh, like I'm too scared to make new friends. I'm scared
to be alone.
Yeah.
Or I'm scared no one else will like me. Or I'm scared what's that?
Your tribe is out there, and I can't stress that enough. I feel like I didn't find my tribe until I moved to LA.
I agree, me too. None of the friends I had at all back home or anyone I would ever even talk to.
I still have a few friends back in my hometown, but like none of them have got me as well as the people I met here or welcomed me so much. It's insane. Like talking back to, if I talked to my high school self, like I would never believe
the friends I have.
How amazing and like-minded my friends would be here.
I agree completely.
I feel like I should have been here my whole life. Like my life was like waiting up until this moment till I moved here and made this friend group at this place at this very moment. Does that make sense?
Yeah, no, I agree. Like, I don't know, like, who else is like I feel like the friends I have now, it's just like,
it all makes sense.
Yeah, it just is like, this could have, like I thought that those people were my friends.
Yes, and it's funny because like all my friends here, well, most of them, I'm gonna say like 80%, yes, of course, 80% of them, they're not even from LA. We all somehow managed to meet in LA at like the randomest thing.
I mean, you met at meditation.
At meditation class.
Like, and I wasn't even gonna go. I was just like, fine, I'll go this night.
Yeah.
We exchanged numbers and we were like, we love Target.
Yeah, so random. So random. You were like, she was like, oh, where do you live? And I was like, oh, I live right next to Target. And she was like, I go there all the time. And she was like, I'm gonna text you, we can go to Target, which we never did for 2 months. But we hung out like almost every day.
Yeah, we hung out every day for like a month. We were like in love with each other.
Iconic.
That was
the baby days. You were a different person back then too.
Yeah.
You've evolved. You're Paulina version 2.
Yeah, I guess this is like,
I've evolved too.
So much. I watch vlogs of me from, if I watch vlogs.
And you're like, who is she?
Even a year ago, for example, I watched vlogs of me from a year ago and I'm not that person at all. And then I watch vlogs of me from like high school and I can't even, I am not that little girl. I'm like a full grown like woman. Like in my mind, like I watch that and I think she's cute. Yeah. That's not me anymore.
You're like, oh, what was I thinking?
And it's hard to accept that, right? Because you don't feel like you change, but I watch these videos of me and I'm like, that's not me at all. And I'm nothing like that. I don't even think what I'm saying is relevant. I'm not on the same frequency or wavelength.
Yeah, you're like, what was I thinking?
Yeah, and
almost.
In a set, like obviously,
it's like watching a different person.
Yes, like that's like, you're like, how she's cute.
Yeah.
And you know, so it's just like, and some people, I think that's why personal growth and mindfulness, even if you're not whatever, you don't want to get super into spirituality, but mindfulness is so important because like you are so, when you're self-aware, you self-improve. And sometimes you see people like 3 years later and they're the same fucking person they were 4 years ago. That's sad. Yes. That's fucking sad.
Can I just make a point? Okay, so this is about people showing, you know, when people are like, oh, like money changed them, or their true colors are showing, like that expression, or like, oh, like fame changed them, success changed them, in whichever setting. They didn't change. They're just being who they actually are, finally. So like whenever like you think of that, like really like think at this concept, like they're just showing you who they were this whole time.
Even if it's bad.
Exactly. Like if someone like does you so wrong, like
that's who they're
just showing you
who they really are.
They were. Like no one.
A flower seed, I mean a rose seed can't become a fucking, what's it called, cactus. Like cactus isn't gonna become a lily. Like people cannot blossom into the things that they don't have at their core.
And even with the positive, like when you see someone like who's beautiful and positive and amazing, it's like they were always that. Like someone you saw that was like negative and whatever, it's like they had something, you know, and they worked through it and now they're becoming who they actually are. And you know, I feel like LA is definitely a place that brings out people's true colors and who they truly are on the
my
inside.
mom always says that, like the whole thing, like you can't become who you're not. Like you, like I said, like cactus isn't gonna be a fucking lily, and a rose isn't gonna be a cactus. Like when you see people's really shitty colors, that's who they're at their core. And that's hard to accept. But no one can, like, for example, me, like I can't turn, like if I'm not a shitty person at the core, I'm not gonna become a bitch.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like there's nothing in me that can pull that trigger out.
Yeah,
Usually,
but if it was residual, it will come out.
if it's stuck in me and deep down, I'm like, it's like that would have.
It's who you are.
And there's people who you think are so sweet and innocent, and then finally their true colors are shown.
They're ENTJs.
They're like
like us.
that shit's pulled up finally, and it's just Yeah,
that was like, we just pop off. Like, I'm sorry.
We literally pop.
Oh, that's a good. Oh, a little blur. A little blur never hurt nobody, right?
A little face tune never hurt.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh, we're gonna go. I'm glad we could have this 30-minute conversation.
I hope you enjoyed that.
I hope that anything we said was helpful in any sense. And
and sorry it wasn't like structured. We're literally in a car.
We're free
floaters.
We're free flowing. Like I can make structured videos, but sometimes I just want to just talk, and I want to say I'm very grateful.
Do y'all get it? I'm really curious.
Yeah. What are your thoughts on everything we said? And then like I want to express my gratitude for your support.
And thanks for listening.
Just thanks for if you sat through this and listened.
That means so much that like people like you actually listen.
Yeah, I want to
like wow. Even if you leave a mean comment, like wow, you listen.
Even if you watch the videos and you fucking hate me, thank you for the view, because it's like you hate me enough to still listen to what I'm saying, and that's something I appreciate.
Yeah, it's like well, I got the shade with that one, but yeah.
But you know what I'm saying though? It's like you still care enough to listen. People I don't listen to their videos.
Yeah. And then it's like, okay, like you don't like Paulina, but like what do you not like? Like, you know what I mean? Like this is just like her physical form. Like there's nothing she can change about, you know, appearance or her personality. It's just her, you know what I mean? So it's like people need to realize that like you can't really like hate someone for something that they are.
Yeah, if I did something shitty, I understand.
Like that's like me, like for what I'm trying to say is like that would be me like being like, you're a girl, I hate you. Like if I was like, oh, I don't like her voice. It's like, but you were born with it. That's your voice. Like you can't do anything about it. Like I hate when people like are like, oh, I don't like her. She's annoying. Like there's this one YouTuber who has like an accent, and people are always like, her accent is so stupid and so annoying. And I'm like, but that's her voice. Like, you know what I mean?
It's not, I think fine.
Like when people say like you talk fast, like English is not your first language.
Yeah, it's not.
You talk fast. Like, do people not realize like English is not the only language in the world? Like English wasn't even my first language.
Like I spoke Russian fast, which is fast, and like.
And you speak very fast. Like when I first became your friend, I had to like really pay attention, but you get used to it. But it's like,
or people just say like, oh, you spoiled bitch, you know nothing about my fucking life, like, or my financial resources.
Exactly, and you don't even know, like,
you don't know me.
For all you know, like, Paulina could be working like 6 jobs, like, you know,
but
like you could, yeah, like you don't know the backstory, and like before you leave like a nasty comment like that, like you have to really think like, people show only 5 minutes of their life. And like, you know, I'm very fortunate to know a lot of people who do this, and I do see like the other 24 hours, and these people really are like hardworking.
Yeah, I completely agree. It's just like,
and it's not all, what is it, like flowers and
it's not all rainbows and fucking butterflies.
Yeah, it's not. It's real life.
This is my real life,
and they're trying to like show you something entertaining that's lighthearted, that makes, you know, you happier. Like even this right now, like Paulina's just sharing this to, you know, maybe resonate with someone, make someone's day, give someone something to do, just entertainment. Yeah, truly, that's what it is. At the end of the day,
I'm not doing this for myself. I think I just talk about this just for me. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like people think that like it's like some like
narcissistic almost.
Yeah, saying. Like it's like, dude, no.
But that's not you.
It's just like, it's really weird when people like judge me when I like, and I get it because you see people on YouTube, and I understand some people, I see where.
And we're not saying everyone on YouTube is not like that.
Yeah.
There's obviously people who are like
shitty people. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's like, it's just, I just trust your intuition about people, you know? Like, if you trust me, thank you, because I really appreciate that, and I feel like if you know me, you know me, and if you've worked with me, especially on anything on one-on-one, or if you subscribe to my monthly membership, like, you know the type of person I am.
Which I'm subscribed.
And yeah, like, I may go get a blowout and a vlog, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to be doing a full moon ritual or being like, the president of my honor society. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, that doesn't mean
Which he literally is.
So I just don't
literally.
I just don't talk about a lot of that type of stuff. So yeah, I don't know. Just, this is a 35.
Don't let the voice, the blonde hair, and the body fool you. She's very smart. And I was surprised too.
And, don't let his beautiful plastic face fool you.
Oh my goodness.
Ollie's brilliant as well. And there's a lot more. We always just want to be funny and hang out with you guys.
Yeah, exactly. It's like, I want my friends to be lighthearted because, you know, life is not that serious. It's never that deep.
And it helps when things are a little...
I like to laugh. Yeah. I like to enjoy myself. Like, it doesn't have to be a constant struggle. It never does.
Yeah.
And, you know, whatever you're facing at home, it's nice to have a good laugh. It's nice to have a talk with a friend. And that's what Paulina likes to share.
I agree. We're just pals. I'm just pals talking.
Just pals parked in a car with bad lighting.
And some people are like, oh, you're always in your car. It's like, leave me alone. I'm not here trying to make structured stuff that's like,
yeah, it's like if you want structure, go to the main channel.
Yeah.
It's like, this is the vlogs. This is for like the real girls and boys who want to sit down, get a snack.
Get that new moon ritual. Yeah. Manifest that abundance. Like,
yeah.
Yeah, my vlogs are real, my vlogs are me, and that's it, you know, I don't change my personality around Ollie or my mom or any, like, I'm literally the same person with everyone.
Same.
And so it's like, I don't know, it's just like, if you don't like me, I'd rather be myself, people not like me, than act fake and people like me. I don't know, like, I know I'm authentic, I know I'm me, so if you don't like it, it's fine. We don't
it's fine, it's like, move on.
Move on.
Like, move to a different
DIY.
Channel. There's so many, I think 10 million YouTube channels. Yeah, it's like, if you don't like Paulina, if you don't like the person you're watching, just go to the next one. There's someone for you out there on YouTube as well. And there's someone out there for you in real life as well. If you haven't found your tribe, I promise you will. And that's where I'm leaving the conversation. You will find your tribe. I personally promise you, you will find your tribe.
When you get aligned with yourself.
Yes. You will find your tribe.
Work on yourself. You're the only thing you have. You're the only person that feels your feelings, and your feelings create your whole future. So just work through things. That's my advice. Just really, really do it. Because at the end of the day, all you're having, if you're strong and if you are self-aware, your world will reflect that. You'll be coming from a powerful place to co-create. And yeah, I just feel like it's really important to work through stuff, you know? Have a mimosa here and there, but gotta do it all. And meditate. It'll change your life. It's pitch black outside. We're gonna go now.